What would it look like if the sky itself turned against Earth? Imagine our planet from space. A shadow appears, far beyond the moon's orbit. A massive object hurtles silently through the darkness. A mountain of rock and metal, aimed directly at Earth. And here is the truth. This actually happened 66 million years ago. The Chicxulub asteroid. Imagine a mountain as tall as Mount Everest, but traveling through space. The collision occurred in what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, forming a crater roughly 180 kilometers wide. Today, that crater is buried beneath layers of sediment, marks the boundary between two geological ages. Below it, the age of dinosaurs. Above it, a new world. The asteroid enters the atmosphere. Friction superheats the air around it. Seconds later, impact. The temperature at ground zero instantly exceeds the surface of the sun. Rock vaporizes. The crust of Earth behaves like liquid. A fireball expands outward at supersonic speed. Everything within hundreds of kilometers is incinerated. Shockwaves radiate across continents, triggering earthquakes. Mega tsunamis hundreds of meters. High slam into coastlines thousands of kilometers away. Debris is blasted into space. Molten rock arcs high above the atmosphere, then falls back down, across the globe. For a brief, terrifying period, Earth looks like a furnace. This was not a regional disaster. This was planetary trauma. But here's what's remarkable. The asteroid didn't instantly wipe out all life. The extinction unfolded over months and years. The impact blasted enormous quantities of dust, ash, and sulfur into the upper atmosphere. Plants died. Food chains collapsed. Acid rain fell across continents. About 75% of all species on Earth disappeared. Non-avian dinosaurs were among the most famous casualties, not gradually, not by evolution, but by a single cosmic collision. This wasn't just a hit, it was a slow planetary death. Yet extinction is not the end of life, it is transformation. With the dinosaurs gone, ecological space opened. Small mammals once living in the shadows began to diversify. Forests regrew, oceans stabilized, new species evolved. Over millions of years, life rebuilt itself. Eventually, primates emerged, and much later, humans. Our entire evolutionary story unfolded in a world shaped by that single impact. Without Chicxulub, mammals might never have risen to dominance. Without that extinction, we might not exist. The Chicxulub impact reminds us of something profound. Earth is resilient, but it is not untouchable. For most of its history, life has survived ice ages, volcanic eruptions, shifting continents, and once, a mountain falling from space. When the sky fell 66 million years ago, it reshaped the destiny of life forever, and every fossil beneath our feet is a silent reminder of that day. And the world began again.